Okay. We don't have what we did in the last tutorial doesn't really look that impressive yet. So let's actually start to take these labels that are just there at the moment and locate them within the shape a bit better. The overall plan is that these labels will get milled into the parts so that each carcass profile can be assembled quite easily. So what we're going to do is we're going to offset curve loose, and we'll take these curves, yep, and I think we want to put a negative offset on it of about, we'll go 15 mil for now. So offset in. Cool, so we're going to write it like within this line somewhere. So maybe we go 20 and see how it looks. Yeah, that should be okay. And then what we're going to do is we'll explode these out. And then, we'll write it along the longest line. Idea being is that the longest line, it's best to write it near the longest line because it's going to be uninterrupted by other geometry, so it'll stay on the shape. So I'm just going to reverse those and then take the longest one out of them by using list item, which is all these. And then I'm going to use evaluate curve because I want to get the point and a vector out of it, I think. Tangent vector, I mean. So let's reparametricize that one. Let's start to construct some planes from using the point and the tangent vector of the line to do that. And then I think we're actually nearly ready to go now. So that's all the text that we're writing. And then the locations are here. 104.32. I think I just need to I think I'll just graph this one. Yeah, that looks like it should be okay. And then I want to make the size about 25. So we've started to get some text appearing, and let me just turn everything off except our text and our curves, and you'll see that some of it is clearly like the wrong way around, like it's flipped. So that's a really easy fix. What am I doing? Oh, I'm spelling it wrong. Adjust plane. So I'm just going to adjust this plane by defining a new normal. So it's because the Z is facing into the page. So the moment I do this, all those texts fix themselves, and you can see that all our parts, all the labels are kind of in the middle-ish. Well, not the middle, but they're in this middle region. We could probably make this a bit better, but I'm not going to for now, because we've got other fish to fry. And in the next video, so I think we'll start to keep pushing these into the drawn form. So already automated, well, essentially the nesting of the geometry, and then we've automated the name creation, so like the tagging. And in this one we've automated the labeling. So essentially we're looking at we're incorporating a lot more intelligence into it. Like we're kind of turning AutoCAD into Revit, if you know what I mean. Except this one, will only cost you a Rhino license, not an ongoing Autodesk one, and I'm of the opinion that if you can do it cheaper with a little bit of intelligence, then you should. So take it easy.